Good day, math lovers. Let's consider this question. This question is coming from NECO 2025, last year NECO. When you see this kind of question in the exam, you'll be like, this question is not easy. It's very difficult. It's tough. It's tough. It's this, it's that. Even you will even skip it. But this question is very, very simple. So when you see this kind of question, how will you solve it? Let me show you the easiest way to solve this question, the easiest method. Now, first thing is we ask, since this question is an objective question, so let's use the easiest method to solve it. Differentiate 3x minus 2 square with respect to what? With respect to x. So 3x minus 2 is inside the bracket all square. So that means this 3x minus 2 will come in brackets twice. Remember, if I have x square like this, that means we have x times x. That's the meaning, x times x. So the same thing will happen to this one. So we have 3x minus 2, and now we have 3x minus 2. So we have this. That's step 1. Step 2, let's expand what we have here. So how do we expand? That's JS2 work. So this one, 3x is the first thing here into bracket. This bracket here, 3x minus 2, 3x minus 2. Now the last one here is minus 2 into bracket. This same bracket again, 3x minus 2. After that, let's open the bracket with 3x and with minus 2. 3x times 3x give us what? 9x squared. 3 times 3, 9. X times x, x squared. Now minus 3x times minus 2. Now minus, there is plus here. So plus times minus give us that minus. 3 times 2 give us 6. Then there is what? X. Same thing in this place. There is plus in this place. Minus times plus give us minus. 2 times 3 give us 6. Then we have 6x also. Now minus times minus give us plus. 2 times 2 give us 4. We now collect like terms. So this x and this x will come together. So we have 9x squared minus 6x minus 6x. Minus 6 minus 6 give us minus 12. So we have minus 12x plus what? Plus 4. So we are now in the last step now. So this last step now, let's differentiate this 9x squared minus 12x plus 4. So how do we differentiate? Look at this. When we have y is equal to x raised power n, that means the y dx is equal to this n that is here. We multiply coefficient of x that is here, and that is 1. So we have n multiplied by x, n multiplied by x raised power. We are going to subtract 1 from this power, that is n minus 1. So this is how we are going to differentiate now. So in this place now, we have 9x squared. So 9x squared will be 9 multiplied by, 2. This 9x squared will be 2 multiplied by 9. This power multiplied by 9. Then x raised power. Now remember, we subtract 1 from what? From the power. So we are going to have 2 times 9 give us 18. Now x. Now this 2 minus 1 give us what? Give us 1. That means we are going to have x raised power 1. Remember that x raised power 1 and ordinary x is the same thing. So we have what? We have done this 9x squared. Now let's move to the second one now, minus 12x. Now minus 12x. Minus 12x. So let's do 12x. This x is raised power 1. So which is this one. Now this one multiplied by 12 give us 12. X raised power. Now this one we're going to subtract. Remember, we're going to subtract 1 from the power. So 1 minus 1 give us what? Is 0. So we have 12x raised power 0. Remember that any number raised power 0 is what? Is 1. So therefore x raised power 0 is what? Is 1. 12 times 1 give us 12. So we are done with 12x. Now let's now move to the last number, which is 4. Anytime you are differentiating the constant, that will return to is 0. So this 4 is constant because there is no what? There is no x beside it. So that is what? That is 0 already. So we have 18x minus 12. So when you differentiate this, we're going to have 18x minus 12. So what is the option here? That is option D. Option D. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video. Don't forget, mathematics is sweet. There is sugar everywhere. Bye for now.